Our top focus of this hour is on Prime Minister Modi's two-day visit to his home state, Gujarat. This marks Prime Minister's first visit to Gujarat after the successful Operation Sindoor. A grand welcome is planned for the Prime Minister by BJP members. During his visit, Prime Minister Modi will launch a slew of projects in Gujarat, including the inauguration of projects worth 82,000 crore rupees. Prime Minister Modi will be welcomed by 30,000 women at Vadodara Airport. He will also hold roadshows in Vadodara, Bhuj and Ahmedabad. His journey will begin with a roadshow in Vadodara at 9:45 a.m., followed by the unveiling of a locomotive plant in Dahod. In the afternoon, Prime Minister Modi will hold a roadshow in Bhuj, and in the evening, his last roadshow will take place in Ahmedabad at 7:45 p.m. Prime Minister Modi will flag off the Somnath-Ahmedabad Vande Bharat train also.
गुजरात में 82,500 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा रकम के लोकार्पण एवं खातमुहूर्त के कार्यक्रमों का आयोजन किया गया है। गुजरात के लोगों में प्रधानमंत्री जी के गुजरात प्रवास को लेकर बहुत ही उत्साह है और लोग उनके स्वागत के लिए संपूर्ण तैयार हैं।
So Prime Minister Modi is on a two-day visit to Gujarat that begins today at 9:45 a.m. He will be having a roadshow in Vadodara where 30,000 women are there at the airport for a grand welcome of the Prime Minister. Remember, this visit also becomes significant as this is the first visit by the Prime Minister after the success of Operation Sindoor. He will be holding roadshows in Vadodara, Bhuj and Ahmedabad. His journey will begin with a roadshow in Vadodara at 9:45 a.m., which will be followed by the unveiling of a locomotive plant in Dahod. Now remember, Prime Minister Modi will be unveiling a slew of projects in Gujarat during his two-day visit worth 82,000 crore rupees. My colleague Piyush Mishra is now joining us live from Vadodara, where the Prime Minister will be landing any time from now. Piyush, what are the arrangements that have been made for Prime Minister's grand welcome? And he will also be holding a roadshow. Give us more details. All right, Piyush is with us. Piyush, a very good morning to you. Tell us about the arrangements that have been made for Prime Minister's grand welcome in Vadodara, where he will also be holding a roadshow.
Well, certainly, Anjali, there are multiple programs which Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to attend in Gujarat. It's his two-day visit and he is first coming to Baroda here in Gujarat. I would ask my video journalist first to pan his camera and show you the visuals as to how more than 30,000 women from across Gujarat have come here to welcome Prime Minister, and they are here to congratulate him, to welcome him after the success of Operation Sindoor. Prime Minister, the moment he lands here, in few minutes from now, he will address the gathering. He is also going to do a road show, and after that he will go to different parts of Gujarat and will take part in various developmental projects. But before that, we are seeing a sense of excitement where people have come here, especially women from across Gujarat, to welcome Prime Minister, and they are holding tricolor in their hand. Also, we have a former MP from Baroda. She's also here to welcome Prime Minister. Let me try to understand from her, and the kind of programs that are going to take place throughout the day. आप यहाँ पर आई हैं, किस तरह का स्वागत प्रधानमंत्री का यहाँ पर करने की तैयारी है?
यहाँ लगभग 30,000 से ज्यादा बहनें और 10,000 से ज्यादा भाई आएंगे। कारण ये है कि जीरो टॉलरेंस फॉर द टेररिज्म, तो ये एक हमारी नीति है नरेंद्र भाई मोदी सरकार की, और उसके कारण जो ऑपरेशन सिंदूर हुआ, तो आज ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ये हमारे लिए, पूरे देश के लिए संकल्प, स्वाभिमान और साहस का पर्याय बन गया। कारण के पति पत्नी दोनों थे।
All right, so that was my colleague Piyush Mishra getting us all those updates right from the ground in Vadodara, where the Prime Minister will be arriving any time from now.